Alrighty, so look here, look here. What do we have here? So this is most important thing you need to get. It's $70 on eBay. It's a smoke detector. It pumps smoke in there. You just use baby oil, the Diddy. But yeah, use that. Um, so I just now noticed my MAP sensor is just pouring smoke. I knew about this, and that's pouring more smoke. It was pouring like that out of that. So I'm gonna fix this. So these oil seals, they go right behind that throttle body, right in there. That doesn't have a seal in there. So I'm gonna put this in there, and then I'm gonna put some sealant, and then just push it in, press it in there. But another scenario I have is my MAP sensor. It is pouring out, leaking out badly. So it was running weird, funky, like it. I don't know. It was just running weird, and I was like, I could not figure it out. But now I know. So smoke detection, and that's another thing. I have a leak. Well, I don't have a leak there. That's the intake. You don't need. There's no leak supposed to be after beyond this point. Even the radiator, it will even fill up the intercooler. But I have a leak right here on that. I don't know if you can see it, but it's just a small leak. It's not terrible. And then I definitely have a bad leak there, and then and there's a leak right there. So there's three areas that I need to fix to get this 100%. That's why I was wondering why it was running oddly weird. It felt like a miss, but it didn't miss. It was just dump rich, and then it'll lean out, and then dump rich. So yeah, I think my map sensor, it's busted. I don't know what happened there, but we're about to find out. I'm gonna take it all apart, take that off, put this seal on, and then put it back together. I'm gonna try to see if I can reseal the cap on that. I don't know, but we're definitely gonna figure it out since I'm already in there. I'm trying to fix it. If not, I'll just have to order another one. But yes, that's a big problem. We should not have no smoke coming out. None of that. And this is not even pressurized, so we're boosting. So it's definitely gonna find those will be the like leak points. So yeah, this is interesting. So what I did, they come in a 5-pack. So I put three and stacked it. And what I did is I sandwiched it together, so it'll press up in there and it won't back out this way. So they're just like sandwiched in there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's smooth. I mean, yeah, it doesn't. There's a lot of spring to come back. Like, yeah, so it ain't gonna affect because that spring is coiled up. Uh, and all that is a seal. And these two right here, they're on top of each other. They're gonna move, but that one on the very bottom is what's causing it to seal. So we're gonna put it back together. I'm gonna put all this stuff, reseal that over there, and then put it all back together and see what she does. All right, all right. So now we're getting no smoke anywhere. How bad it was on the map sensor, how bad it was on this the last time, and over there. Now we're just strictly out the turbo. I'm still thoroughly looking just to make sure. Yeah, there's no smoke there. It used to just pour out pretty bad right there, but now it's sealed. This right, that smoke machine, it will save a headache. It will save your problems. You would think it's the intake manifold gasket. It will literally pick up because how thick that stuff is. It will seep out, and it's that lubricant. Of course, it's oil, so the oil will seep past any small leaks. Like I said, the throttle body is completely shut. This is pressurizing inside the intake manifold, and it's not by much. I think it's like 1 psi or 2. I can't remember. And then is pushing it back out. So, but yeah, and you'll know what this how much smoke pours out too. If your wastegates are leaking, you can tell. I noticed that on one, so I retightened it up and it fixed it. It's just any vacuums you want to make sure. Like I said, it will let you know real like right off the rip. And another thing is I put these injectors in, and the rings on the bottom, they was it was bad. Like it wouldn't idle. It will idle, but it would idle at like 1,500 RPMs, and I was like, what the heck? Trying to figure out that smoke detector picked up every ounce. So now I'm just letting it do its thing. In which case, smoke detector did its work. Uh, well, it did its job, and I sealed off all three of those components, and neither one of those are smoking right now. So that is one big thing. That's one big thing to indicate. Like I said, I'm gonna keep looking because this stuff will seep out. But right now, it's fine. She's good. She's in there like swimwear. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.